how to assemble and install the Maximera drawers. Read the assembly instructions for Maximera drawer carefully before you begin. First, measure where to put the drawer rails and mark that on the cabinet. The drawer fronts are helpful as measures. There are 3 positions for the drawer rail: low, normal, and inner position. Fix the lowest rail at the bottom of the cabinet. This is the rail placement for normal position. If an inner drawer is used, you need to move the rail 1 step into the cabinet. Note the difference in where to fix the fittings on the drawer fronts, and the special placement for the lowest drawer front. The plastic fixing is then positioned in these holes. Now the combination is correct for a high drawer, for a medium drawer there are 2 more holes. Finish the process according to assembly instructions. This is how to assemble an inner drawer. Remember to fix the drawer rail 1 step into the cabinet. Time to put the handles on the drawer fronts. Remember to protect the inner drawer front from marks. If you need to dismount a drawer, remove the drawer by holding it in the front and gently pulling it out and then upwards. If you need to adjust the drawer sideways or heightways, first remove the cover, fine-tune for correct height, push in the drawer to check if it fits. You may need to fine-tune sideways as well. If you need to adjust the position of a door, use the inner screw to fine-tune the door's position inward and outward. Use the middle screw to fine-tune the door's position upwards and downwards. Use the outer screw to fine-tune the door's position sideways. Sometimes it's more convenient with a door that opens at the bottom instead of at the side. This is how to fix the lid stay. The lid stay's resistance may need to be adjusted, compensating the weight of the door. This is a Favara drawer, assembled to be placed in the lowest position. Before installing the Favara drawer, read the assembly instructions carefully and you will succeed easily. Assemble the carousel before putting on the worktop to give enough room for installation. When inserting the pin underneath the upper shelf, be sure to do this from the back of the pole to ensure that the carousel rotates correctly.